guys, welcome back to our channel. Our family is visiting Disneyland Paris and we are staying at Disney's Davy Crockett Ranch. We're gonna give you a room tour, a tour of the pool, the whole property, and show you what there is here. All right, you guys, we just got to our cabin here. Let's go and do a little room tour. So, all right. Oh wait, what? There's something written up here. Howdy. Oh, that's cute. They wrote howdy on here. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? What is this cute stuff? Oh, that's so fun. They left chocolate gold coins for us. Pens. What? That's so cute. Okay, I was not expecting that, and that is adorable. So what we really liked about the cabins is the space. Having a room for us and the girls. Oh my gosh, look at this. Welcome family peed. Oh, that's so cute with these Mickeys. Okay, wow. This was so nice after a really long flight. This is just so great. So on this side of the cabin, we have one bedroom. This is a double bed. We have storage up here, nice little window. There is little shelves on both sides. A nice space with shelves. And then we have a bathroom connected to this room. So we have sink, we have some shampoo and conditioner. Let's take a look at the shower. Okay, so that is the shower. That's great. So that's this bathroom. Coming out here, we have this whole area with a couch right here. We have table here, television here. And then this is a pretty good sized mini kitchen. We have a stove. We have our dishwasher, drawers that have pots, pans, silverware. Yep, more cups, dishes. So, quite a lot of space right here. This is exactly what we were hoping for. Here we have the mini fridge. And what are we? Oh, great. Okay. So on this side, we have a toilet. There's no sink in here, but there is another toilet, which is really nice. While the toilet is in here, across the way, you have another shower, sink, bathroom area. So this is really nice to have two showers in this room and two different bathrooms essentially. And then in here, look at this. 3 separate beds in this bedroom. We also have storage in here. This is great. So this bedroom, walk out here, kitchen, table, couch, walk across the way to this bedroom, which has the shower in here. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Oh, and there's some waters here too. All right, so we are headed to the pool, and this will kind of show you a little bit of a walk around tour. There's the reception area. The parking lot is nice and close, which is always nice. We have Crockett's Tavern over here, which is also the buffet, which we ate it last night. It was really good. There's the trading post, which is the gift shop, saloon, games. They have a playground. Okay, let's head into Blue Springs Pool. Okay, here we go. We had been watching YouTube videos, but I feel like it doesn't quite capture how big it is in here. And we didn't get very much footage for what we were looking for of like the hot tub. So here is the hot tub. So there's like 3 different hot tubs through this cave, which is really cool. I love just the giant ceiling in here and all the plants. So let's do a little tour. Okay, so here's the center hot tub that connects in. I love this little walkway. Oh, and so this comes out of the pool, and it's like a mini little lazy river. And then this is closed off from this side right now. I don't know why. You can swim to it. And look, I'm just noticing. Can we walk up here and go around? I don't know if you actually can, or if it's probably just decoration actually. I thought it was like a bridge, but that's really fun. Okay, so this is definitely like our first swimming experience in France. It's a little different. Just things like you take off your shoes before you even enter into the locker room. It's very like organized. And then the locker room, the changing rooms, and the toilets are just like family. So you just go in with your whole family and do all that. But it felt very like clean and everything. And yeah, this is great. Okay, so let's walk across this bridge. It's not very crowded at all. Okay, so that's what it is. It's a waterfall. What? How did he turn that on? That's so cool. Okay, here's the bridge. So you can see here the slide, which will definitely go down. Oh, okay, and then this is the entrance. Okay, and then you have this whole pool area. You can swim under the bridge, which is really fun. Have the waterfall over there. And it's nice and warm in here too. And then there's this kid area right here, and look, they have like some toys out, some fun things for kids to play with. Oh, little boats. It's nice and shallow, and parents can be right here. This is crazy. If this was at Great Wolf Lodge, this would be packed with kids. So yeah, just it's very like calm in here, very clean. I love it. They have some games right here. So fun. All right, so this is the massive gift shop that is here at Davy Crockett Ranch. Look how cute all this Chip and Dale stuff is.
Look at it.
Very like frontier themed.
They are cute.
We have mugs, and then over here is like the grocery section that they usually have at Disney resorts. Ooh, except for here it's Nutella. And then a lot of that's cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is a really big gift shop. It's great. Okay, so this is the buffet. I'm gonna give you a little walk around and show you. So we have like chicken nuggets and fish right there. Can you show us what's in there, Kenzie? Oh, it's different today. Okay, potatoes. And I thought garlic. Potatoes tonight. We have bread, fruit. We really like the desserts. Look how cute, Mickey themed, adorable. We have a salad bar. There's also different cheeses. Veggies, we've liked the cucumbers and hummus. And a rare sight for us, ketchup. It was kind of hard to find ketchup at obviously the other places we were going to. We also have Alfredo. This has been really, really good. Fish, Mickey shaped fries, a lot of different options. I'll take you on this side. Different salads, green beans in here, some more vegetables. I think there's rice in this one. Joining us in our day in Paris. Stay tuned for more fun Paris videos, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.